I'm getting ready to do the break-in on my pink bike that I just got back. I'm actually getting switched to a different oil. This one. I like it because it's purple. Well, the label is. So I'm excited to do the break-in, even though it's really boring. Stop it. So I had my motor rebuilt, of course, through Duncan Racing in El Cajon in Southern California. The motor had some debris floating around and it did some damage, so they did a rebuild. They worked on the top and the bottom. Also put some new used cylinders. That's what you see here. They ported them. These actually came from my dad's Banshee, and he wasn't using them. The color I wanted to not be red, but there was a bit of a miscommunication, and the red stayed. So that's okay. I'll do a quick walk around. Got some new lights. So I'm gonna try those. Sounds different than I'm used to. I was told that it's gonna run a lot different than it was before, so I'm excited about that. Honestly, I take 2 changes pretty easily and well, so I don't think it'll be a big deal, but I'm hoping it'll be a good thing.